Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Today we have a quick unboxing with a quick review, I guess. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff that comes along with being on this YouTube platform, right? So today we have something from Wahl. Shout out to Wahl, they actually sent this to me. I did not have to buy this one from Wahl this time. Hey, how you doing, guys at Wahl, right? So they sent me the Wahl detailer, right? So in the package, they come with little pamphlets, everything that comes with it, little diagram of the product. Yeah, so of course y'all know everybody been on the gold kick, right? I honestly think the gold kick is kind of phasing out, but some of the bigger brands or the older brands it seems like they kind of trying to say, hey, we have gold as well, right? As y'all remember, Wahl did put out the gold magic clips a little while ago, stronger motor, got a little bit of weight to it. I'm still a fan of the magic clips. I have been using the Rebels lately, but as y'all know, I was huge on the magic clips, right? So I had to try those out. So, you know, with that, they dropped the gold detailer. And I think they also are coming with a gold shaver sometime later, the 5-star, the close shaver or whatever, right? Maybe the finale, I don't know. But here's the detailer. As far as what comes in the box, you get the same thing that comes in the original detailer. Well, not the original cordless detailer, because the original cordless detailer had that lever. I don't know if any of y'all ever used it, but it had the lever on it. It was sharp, whatever, right? Comes with your cleaning brush. It also comes with the charging dock. And as you can see, it is a little different from the original one that comes in the other cordless. It got the gold font, black down bottom. Here's the original one to compare. This is the one that comes in the original the cordless detailer, and then it's the gold one. And as you can see, the machine pretty much the same. This one feels a little thicker around this area than this, but for the most part, you get the same product, same build, gold blade instead of the silver detailer blade. But for the most part, you get the same thing. You can see the difference here. Instead of them having Wahl 5-star here, they got the Wahl 5-star on the gold one here. But still the same packaging it comes with. You get the same machine, same runtime, 100 minutes. This one now on the website, I don't remember how much it was when it originally dropped, but this one on the website now is $149, and this one is $189, which I do like that they didn't jump it up too crazy because it's gold. Because in the sense of trimmers, you're not getting a lot of trimmers that's 200, 220, 250 plus, right? So I do like that they didn't say, hey, we got a gold trimmer, let's put the extra crazy price on it, right? But as far as packaging, that's what you get, right? Yeah, like I said, 100 minutes of runtime. It also comes with the tool to zero gap, which I'm not a big user of the zero gapping tools. As of right now, my eyes are not the best and they becoming worse, but I gotta kind of eye it because using them tools, sometimes they can make the blades too sharp. And like I've always said, everybody's pressure is different when you're lining up, right? So everybody can't use the same precision on the blade, right? So I'm heavy-handed, so I can't have it that close, right? So let's do a sound. Compared to the sound of the original, pretty much the same. This is an older one, so it might be slightly louder, but not noticeable at all. But this is the detailer. And as far as when I first got the original detailer, fresh out the box, it seemed a little too sharp, which again goes back to everybody's pressure that they use when they're lining up is different. People that's heavy-handed can't use it so close, right? And my hand is ashy. Don't worry about that. It is what it is. But out the box, this has been, for my usage, it's not too close. So I've been able to get nice lines. I've been able to go against bulk. I've been able to give nice designs with it. It's very smooth. And I do like the smallness of it, right? So I am used to the Babyliss Go to FX. So I do use this more. Sometimes in my hand, this can seem too small, depending on what I'm doing. You get what I'm saying? But like doing designs, it's like perfect to kind of hold it a certain way and get you a nice crisp design. Not saying that you can't do it with other ones. Just some items just fit differently in your hand, right? So the only problem that I did have with this is on certain, I guess like certain skin textures. Sometimes it felt like it dragged against the skin a little too much. So I would be able to get a decent line, but sometimes it would still drag. If you're using spritz or liquid razor edge liquids, the lining spray, sometimes this can drag against that. If you let it dry too much, it can it don't give that tap and go when you're using that. But for the most part, I've been able to get nice lines with this. It's a detailer. If you use the detailer, if you use Wahl trimmers before, this is that in gold, right? So like I said, they do have I believe they have the gold finale coming in, if I'm not mistaken. So they get you a whole gold set. I do think that the gold has you still get people dropping it in gold, but as you get so much in it, I do think certain people are moving away from it. But although this does look like, sometimes you get gold and it's like too gold, right? It's like it don't feel right, don't look right. This is not bad. It's kind of dull. It's not too shiny, so I like that. But that's the detailer. You get what I'm saying? $189 on the website. I have no discount codes. But again, shout out to Wahl for contacting me and actually sending me this over. So if you're looking for it, $189 on the website. Is it a must buy? If you already have the detailer, if you already have a decent trimmer, no, this is not oh my God, I gotta have it, because it's not that big of a difference. If you are looking for a trimmer, or you wanting to try it out to see the difference in the blades or whatever, then yeah, go ahead and get it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I do like that they didn't boost that price up crazy high because it's gold. You know what I mean? I like that. So that's my unboxing. Again, quick review of the gold detailer from Wahl 5-star series. All right, it's just dropped last week, so it's still fresh on the market. You should be able to find it. I haven't went to any third-party websites to see if it's cheaper anywhere or if anybody else is even selling it at the moment. But I'll keep an eye out on that. If I do find it, I'll leave links down below. I'm probably going to look at Fort Worth Barber Supply first and Atlanta Barber. Those are my two go-tos outside of the actual websites of the products, all right? If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down them. Comment, share. Please subscribe to the channel. I know we sound like we big when we say that on the channels, but some of us got benchmarks. Before the year out, I want to hit 10,000 subscribers. If we get there, we do. Side note, if we get there, there's a giveaway coming. At 10,000, especially if we hit 10,000 before the year is out, there will be a giveaway. If you can go back to my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, I don't do light giveaways. You get what I'm saying? Especially when I hit certain benchmarks that I'm trying to hit. So at that 10,000, I don't know if we'll try to top the 5,000 or, mix it in and just give you newer products or whatever. But we'll get there, right? Please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll be back with another video very soon. Peace.